Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to copper pipe solder. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a propane torch, lead-free solder, and flux. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and heat-resistant gloves. Also, make sure your workspace is well ventilated to prevent inhaling any fumes. These initial steps are crucial for a successful and safe soldering experience, setting the foundation for a strong joint. Now let's prepare our copper pipes for soldering. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the pipe ends and the inside of your fittings using a wire brush or abrasive cloth. This removes any oxidation or debris, which is vital for proper solder adhesion. Next, apply a thin, even layer of soldering flux to both the cleaned pipe and the inside of the fitting. Finally, assemble the joint, making sure the pipe is fully seated into the fitting, ready for heat. With your joint prepared, it is time to apply heat and solder. Using your propane torch, heat the fitting evenly, concentrating the flame on the joint itself, not directly on the pipe. Once the fitting reaches the correct temperature, which is typically around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, touch the solder to the opposite side of the fitting from the flame. The solder will then be drawn into the joint by capillary action, forming a strong seal. After applying the solder, the next critical step is cooling and inspection. Allow the newly soldered joint to cool naturally without disturbing it. Do not try to cool it with water, as this can weaken the joint. Once completely cool, wipe away any excess flux residue with a damp cloth. Finally, inspect the joint carefully for a complete, smooth, and shiny bead of solder all around, indicating a successful and leak-free connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.